Yo, YouTube. This video today is going to be showing you how to get all weapons in Sailor Peace. This is going to unlock every single weapon, that's including all of the rarest swords as well. This actually uses a working Sailor Peace Roblox code that you can redeem right now, and it's going to unlock each and every weapon in Sailor Peace for free, and this is super fast. So guys, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am starting to play Sailor Peace a lot more, and I'm always searching for methods to get free stuff and also updated codes. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to get all weapons in Sailor Peace Roblox. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone to obtain your code, and then you can redeem it in game. So I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. You just got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So crash coupons, type it exactly like this, and it's going to bring you to this web page here. Now, what you're going to want to do to save you from scrolling through hundreds of different pages, you're going to want to use the search bar where it says search here at the top of the page, and in there just type in Sailor Peace. Here is the codes page, and go ahead and scroll down, and you're looking for the all weapons code. So this one here, Sailor Peace Roblox, unlock all weapons, and this is completely free, and it takes just a few minutes, guys, to do this. So this is definitely the fastest method to unlock all weapons and swords. And I spent a long time searching to try and find a method, and this is it. So guys, you need to unlock your code. So obviously unlocking all weapons is pretty desirable, and you can see these are limited codes, so you can only do this once. I did this earlier, so I probably won't be able to do the full process. But what you're going to want to do is click on this button, and I did this earlier, like I said, and it took me about 5 minutes to unlock my code. So it is pretty easy. You just got to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and follow the instructions below each one. So I'll just scroll down here. There is a list, so you can see there is a bunch of free tasks, and essentially, guys, you just need to complete any 2 of them. And there is pretty self-explanatory once you go ahead and do it. It's pretty easy. You just got to follow the instructions. Like, they're easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing mobile games, and you can see there's stuff like answering survey questions as well. So yeah, just fully follow the instructions and complete 2 of the free tasks on this page, and if you do everything correctly, it will then send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Sailor Peace code will be revealed, and this one is going to unlock all weapons. So guys, you redeem your code. So this is a one-time use personal code, guys, so you make sure you use it for yourself, redeem it in game, and that is how to get all weapons in Sailor Peace Roblox using a working code. So go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions or need any assistance, just let me know, guys, but it is super easy. Make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe for more.